Home Depot penny shopping. How to find penny items at Home Depot online. In this video, I'll show you how you can find penny items on Home Depot online. So to get started, go ahead and open Home Depot into your browser. And then in here, you can go ahead and proceed signing into your account before proceeding on looking for specific items. So in here, go ahead and head over into the section where you want to find penny items from. So you usually find it under the holiday decorations section. So once you got redirected into that section, go ahead and use the filters. So click on this all filters button, which you'll find at the top right of the results. And then from here, go ahead and set the price to $0 to $10, and then click on view results. So this page would reload, and all of the items in here that you can find are in between $0 to $10. So to be able to make it easier for you to find the lowest price available, simply select sort by and set it to low to high. And then all of the low price item will be found into this section. So as you can see, you'll be able to find all of the items which with the lowest price on Home Depot. And that is how you can basically do Home Depot shopping, find penny items at Home Depot online.